things around, we have now decided that we're going to go for a bit of a pattern that I think looks a little bit like a pier. So we're calling it Pier Mark 2 or 3. I'm throwing in a few of my favourite ones from around the edges, the mosaic ones, just because I like them, and we'll work back, getting darker and darker until that point. So now I have got an agreement with everybody on the plan. We are going to mark out the ground and see if we can lay it in some sort of straight fashion. So let's see how we get on. Grouting's all done now, just need to go back over and clean it up. Give it the first rub down fairly quickly. I used to leave it and think, oh, I'll clean it up, it'll rub off later. But if it's thick, it does not rub off. It goes really hard, which is what you need it to. So I've got it down now, but now it needs a polish. I need to clean it up. So that's what I'm going to do now. Work my way around, try and clear up this mess, and hopefully we'll be left with something that looks quite reasonable. So, moment of truth, let's see what happens. The floor is down and we are finished. So this has been the journey of taking somebody else's leftovers and turning it into something awesome. Hopefully now we're going to have lots of years of a durable floor that's going to be maintenance free. It should resist the damp really well because all sort of solid materials, unlike lino. Lino would have taken, probably cost another nearly £300 to do this room and the bathroom, and we've done this for about 15 quid for the cost of cement and the grout. So all in all, really happy. It's a bit more interesting than just buying some sort of grey thing out the shop. So if you've enjoyed that journey, then please sub me onto the channel where you turn junk into cool stuff all the time, adding some imagination on the way. So hopefully we will see you in the next one. Good night, everybody.